television actor Gaurav Chopra's father Swatantra Chopra, who had tested positive for COVID-19 last month, died on Saturday, 10 days after the actor lost his mother. Gaurav, in an emotional post on Monday, shared the news of his father's death and wrote, "10 days, and they're both gone. A void, a vacuum that no amount of time will ever fill." The actor's mother, who was suffering from cancer for the past 3 years, died on August 19th. She was also diagnosed with COVID-19 and was admitted to a hospital. In his moving eulogy for his father, Gaurav Chopra recalled how Swatantra Chopra was loved and respected by all and described him as his hero, idol and inspiration. Mourning his mother on social media on August 20th, Gaurav Chopra shared a lengthy note, in which he called her the strongest. Gaurav Chopra has worked in TV shows like Doli Armanon Ki, Gulmohar Grand, Left Right Left, Ghar Ki Lakshmi Betiyan, and Uttaram. He was last seen in the reboot of Sanjeevani. News Desk.